Outdoor activities and exposure to sunlight offer several benefits for pet parrots. Vitamin D synthesis. Natural sunlight helps parrots produce vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and healthy bones. Mental stimulation. The sights, sounds, and smells of the outdoors provide enrichment, reducing boredom and stress. Physical activity. Parrots can exercise their wings and muscles more freely in a safe outdoor environment. Feather health. Sunlight supports better feather quality, enhancing their natural coloration. Boosted mood. Fresh air and natural light improve overall well-being. Just as they do for humans, always ensure your parrot is secure and safe from predators during outdoor time.